Hello, good morning. Welcome to a new video. We go to Mohammed. So the taxi is ready. Habibi. كله تمام. مية مية. مية مية.
So here is the office of NASCO, and Mohammed asked us to come to talk about something, so we'll see.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yes.
Rahmatullah is like the grace of God?
His mercy.
Mercy, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And barakatuh?
Blessing.
Ah, okay.
Yes. So I heard some news about you, and I think your permission, it came to.
Oh, okay, to leave.
Yes.
Ah.
Wow.
Well, thank you very much so far.
Yes, I'm happy.
So we are back from the office from NASCO, and it was good news. He told us, Mohammed, that we probably can leave this week. Nothing is sure here, but we are hoping for it and do the last preparations. Now I'm up to the grinding work I promised yesterday, and I also have some very nice project I will show you also. That's a project of my heart. Assalamu alaikum. Camel. No camel here. I think this is the best place to do some work because close to the boat, grinding is not a good idea. So let's go. So this one is finished. So here is the second project, and that's this. It's the spreader of the Antara, the boat that is here, and I thought it would be nice to use it as a mast for my foil, kite foil. And this is a rail, also from the Antara. It's aluminium both. Oh, that's not completely clear. Let's explain that a little bit. Because one of my projects is a kite foil. And that's a special board you use with kite surfing. I have a picture here, and it shows that it's a board with a mast in the water. And if you have speed, you rise out of the water and you have less resistance in the water, and then you go very fast, so you can kite with light wind. But the thing is, it's very expensive to buy one, so I decided I make one, and this is the project. And what I'm going to do now is I want to grind the shape of the rail into the mast. Oh, wait a minute, Camel is coming. I already hear him shouting from far. I'm at the workplace! I have a question. What's that? Scissor.
Cut is here. You liked? Hi.
Hello.
How are you? You fine, Hermen?
Yes.
It's good, man. My friend.
Like camel.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
I look.
Yes,
I look.
yes.
أنا أشوف.
شوف أنت.
This.
No, this is no. Yeah, also.
What? 5 milli?
Yeah, maybe. But no problem. I can do it.
It's my brother. I go. Is engineering. Receiving.
Yeah.
Receiving, and the common is good here. It's
Yeah.
Yeah, me understand. لا كويس كده. It's good.
Very good, Camel. What's your name again? Mustafa. Thank you very much. It was a very Arabic moment, I would say, because many times people want to help you and you're not sure if you want to be helped by them, and the choice is not really there. So, but in this case, Camel took me to the technician, and it was really nice because he was a very skilled man. But you're not sure of that, and that's funny. In Europe it would be very different. Yeah, it's a culture thing. But in this case, I really liked it, and I I'm very happy with the result. Anyway, with this we come to an end of our video, and we like to have some interaction with you. So if you have any question about our travels or our departure or personal questions, let us know below the video and we try to come back to it in one of our next videos. So far, thank you very much and see you tomorrow.